Hello everyone. Subway ceramic tiles has been used in wide range of application over the period of time, and it has been popularized by the usage of the subway tiles in the metro stations in New York, and since then it has been quite into the trend. And nowadays the tile manufacturers come up with varieties of novelties in terms of digital printing, as well as the tile surface applications, as well as the tile punch like the surface. So it is the right time for making a video on different types of new tile trends into the subway tiles, and here are our 7 top list of recommendations for the subway tiles. Number 5 is my personal favorite, so stay tuned till the end of the video and let us know which is your favorite tile trend among the top 7 list. So the first one on this list is the white classic subway tiles. This is either in the glossy ones or the matte ones. So white tiles has been very popular, and you can see it everywhere near your shopping malls or near the metro stations or the restaurant chains, even the hotels. And this is a classic look, and it is going to be in style for years to come. So we highly recommend this tile. But the cool thing about this tile is like you can mix it up with varieties of colors by using the different color grout lines, or grout colors. So what I mean by that is, like, if you have a particular theme, for example, if you have an industrial theme and you have tones of grey or beige or brown, and you can mix those color into the grout lines. You can mix the grey color or brown color grout lines into the white tile, and it will look very theme based. If you want to create something like a contrasting look, you can go with the complementary colors, as well as you can use different kind of pop colors or bright colors such as orange, blue, even the popular new colors like pastel tones of pink or blue or orange, and you can create a very unique and fresh look. The second one on our list is the opposite of the white tile. It's the black tile, and black tile has been in the trend since 80s, I think, and it was very popular at that time, but nowadays it is showing a little bit less downward trend. The thing about the black tile is we do not recommend this tile into the smaller space, or if the room is too small, or it can get a very closed look if you use the black tile in those spaces. But recently this year we are seeing quite a range of black tile with the golden colored grout lines or brown tones of grout lines, and it looks really premium and elegant. So we highly recommend that for your interior space. If you have a wide space, or if you have a bigger bathroom, you can choose to go with the black tile along with the golden or brown shade of grout. The third tile on our list is the brick look tile. So brick look tiles has been quite popular since the advent of digital printing technology. The good thing about the brick look is it goes well with the industrial theme as well as the new modern theme, and it creates a very natural atmosphere or environment. And if you want to use, you can use the brick look tiles in the cabinet areas of your living room or your bedroom. For example, if your TV cabinet, you can use the subway tiles in brick look to cover it, and you can even use it for the fire space area, and you can install it over there. This type of brick look subway tiles comes in varieties of tone of colors. They can come into the red natural look brick colors, as well as in the brown tones, in the black anthracite colors, also some unique colors like the beige or grey in stone look. So the tile designers and tile manufacturers around the world, they are trying to create a very natural finish by the use of a special punch or the surface which is very uneven. Also the edges are very uneven on this type of tiles, so when you place it next to each other, there is a uneven grout lines which gives a look of an authentic brick installation. So the tile designer also come up with stone designs into the brick pattern. So this is like a surface of a brick, but you have like milestones like the light gray tones or light beige tones, and they look quite amazing, and like they look really authentic to the natural stones and natural brick look. So that is one thing you can keep in mind while choosing your tile for living room areas or even some of the outdoor cladding areas. The fourth one on our list is the glass look tile. Now the fourth one and fifth one both are actually glass look tiles, but there is a difference of the format. The fourth one is actually the rectangular format, which is the classic subway tile pattern. This is actually 4 by 12 or 10 by 30 centimeters. So the finish of the glossy surface on these tiles are very much accurate to the glass tiles. So the amount of light it reflects is even better than glass tiles in some of these colors. So we highly recommend this kind of tiles for kitchen backsplaces. Maybe you can use beige tone or light gray or white tone in those places. And also like in a powder room or like a special kids bathroom or something like that, you can use the pastel colors or wild colors. Like this one is in the pink, pastel pink. There is a pastel green color. Much varieties of colors are available in the glass look, even more varieties than the actual glass tiles. And even if they have some particular colors in the glass look, like if you want a lavender looking glass tile, then it will cost you much higher amount of dollars of money, and instead you can opt for the ceramic tiles in the same colors, into the same look and feel, and it will create a very unique as well as save you some money. So this series, especially if you are interested, you can go check out on our website TIEIC.com. There are more colors in this series, and the good thing about this series is like it has a special decor tile. This is actually the base tile, which is like a plain print on it. On the decor tile, it has geometric print on it, but the print is not only just printed on the tile surface, it is etched or like it is carved out into the surface, which gives a very designer appeal to it, and you can use or you can place those decor tiles randomly between the base tiles, and it will create a very nice look. The fifth one on our list is also the glass tile, but this time it's in the square format. So in the late 60s and early 70s, there was a trend of glass blocks which was used, and those art deco type of interior theme, and they were actual glass blocks, and the ceramic tile manufacturers have like created a very authentic look and feel of glass tile in the square blocks by creating a very similar type of punch, the uneven punch, which gives a very good amount of light reflection, and it creates authenticity of the glass tiles or glass blocks. So the good thing about this series is like it comes in varieties of color, but this is our favorite color, the aqua color, which is the more authentic one. And it also comes with the decor tile, which has different tile surface and different geometric prints, and the very high depth the decor tile has, which is like the punch or the geometric patterns which is created on the decor tile has very nice depth to it, which creates a very strong and very designer feeling. When you apply it maybe for the bathroom, for the shower area, you can go with the decor tile, and for the rest of the bathroom you can play with the plain color. The sixth one on our list is keeping in mind the new industrial theme, and there are like metallic grunge effect tile, which is very popularized in the tile industry right now, and one of those look can be achieved by using the same type of application into the ceramic subway tiles. This series especially, it has a varieties of colors. This one is our favorite out of them, which is having a very different shades of grey and anthracite in it. These two colors are actually the same series, but it has a very variety of colors, so it is like creating a very authentic metal look. As well as the good thing about this series is like you don't need any kind of grout. If you don't want to use for the grout, you can go with it, because it already has like inbuilt design which looks very similar to the grout, or it has a cutout in the L shape, and when you install it overall, it creates like a full-on boundary of a tile, and it looks very industrial, very rusted out, very raw, and you can definitely check it out if that is the kind of theme you are looking or you are going after. The last one on our list is the 8x8 tile into the Moroccan print. Now Moroccan print or this geometric print are very much popularized into the ceramic industry, especially in this kind of smaller formats such as 8x8 or 12x12. But the good thing about this type of tile is like you can use them in very limited space. For example, if you have a shower area, the flooring of that shower area you can do by this kind of print, or if you have a very narrow entry into your house or maybe your backyard, those areas you can use this Moroccan print tiles. Or even on the steps you can use as a riser, you can put the Moroccan tiles. On the top you can put the plain color tile. It will create a very unique and very nice look to it. Also on the dining area space or courtyard space, you can have like in circle or even a square or rectangular area, you can put this Moroccan print tile. And the good thing and the new novelty into the Moroccan print is like they are coming with different kind of surfaces. For example, this one, it has a special effect on it which shines off particular amount of light on a specific color only. So for example, these gray lines are all having a little bit shiny coating on it, and it creates a very vintage as well as a very elegant look to it. So if you are opting for Moroccan tiles, you can ask your tile supplier or tile distributor like what are the different kind of tile surfaces you get in that. It come in also in the carving effect just like in the glass tile, or even with some kind of metallic glaze or ink in it in particular Moroccan tiles. So those tiles really look cool and it looks very different than the rest of the regular Moroccan tiles. So that's it from today's video, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. You can let us know in the comment section which is your favorite recommendation out of this tile. If you have some other suggestion about new and trendy subway tiles, then you can also mention that in the comment section, or you can DM us on social media networks. And thank you for watching.